Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. EMS and EL stimulates cell regeneration and enhances nutrient absorption. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EL energy level, 3. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. RF and suction lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. RF mode, NOR. Suction duration, 3. Release duration, 1. Suction intensity, adjust the energy according to individual endurance. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipo laser reshapes the jawline profile. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Secure the head with a strap and place the small laser pads on the chin area. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream. One to 3 sessions per week are recommended, with a total regimen of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy or lactation, heart disease or pacemaker implantation, unhealed surgical wounds or post-surgery recovery, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, skin or infectious diseases.